Cable. Dollar Sing. Cable. Sing Yen. Pound yen. Dollar sing. Pound Aussie. Dollar sing. Pound Aussie. Aussie
We
dollar.
are 15 minutes away from the futures open in Japan. Just going to give a quick run through of some of the major stories coming out of Japan to start the week. The US and Japan have agreed in principle on a trade deal under which Japan will slash tariffs on US beef, pork and other agricultural products while continuing to face levies on its own auto exports. Announcing the deal on Sunday, US President Trump also said Japan would purchase large quantities of US wheat and corn. A bit more colour from Japan's Nikkei. Abe and Trump will confirm plans to conclude the talks in late September when the two leaders meet in Biarritz, France. If Abe and Trump sign the agreement late in September, the pact will be put forward to a vote in Japan's parliament in the fall, which will conclude the Japanese side of the ratification process. In the US, congressional approval is not always required for a trade pact. The US-Japan trade agreement thus could take effect within 1 to 2 months of Japanese parliamentary approval. That's analysis there from Japan's Nikkei. In geopolitical news, South Korea's armed forces have begun military training near the disputed islands, also claimed by Japan on Sunday, this amid increasing tensions between the two nations. On the equity front, Fujitsu has taken on fintech with an AI credit scoring tool for banks. Japan's TEPCO said to be weighing retiring some reactors at their massive plant. Rakuten hoping in their new movie business will lift profits at other units. And the shaky Apple supplier JDI, or Japan Display, is set to receive the bulk of their lifeline on schedule. All these stories from the Nikkei, all up on our board in our Japanese news recap.
Dollar Sing. Gold. Pound yen. Dollar sing. Aussie dollar. Pound Aussie. Aussie yen. Gold. Sing yen.
According to the Commercial Times, Taiwan have says they're to closely monitor the financial markets.
Dollar sing. Aussie yen. Pound yen.
Alright, morning everyone. Very early today.
Gold.
US 10-year yields open at 1.4745%. As a reference, they finished Friday around 1.5351. US 10-year yields opening down at 1.4728%. Japanese 10-year JGB futures open up spot to 8 points at the open.
Aussie yen, dollar sing, pound yen, dollar sing, Aussie yen, pound Aussie, Aussie dollar,
We are just over 8 minutes away from the top of the hour and the cash equity market open in Australia, Japan and South Korea.
Aussie dollar. Gold.
In geopolitical news, Israel is said to have struck locations in Lebanon's Bekaa region.
Aussie dollar.
I'm getting it lately, a lot of bad vibes. I'm seeing it lately, all bad signs. I'm feeling unweary, got a feeling we are lost. Won't somebody tell me what went wrong? Won't somebody tell me what is gone? Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost? I'm ready to learn, yeah, to learn. So baby, what in the world went wrong?
Aussie yen.
How could we get this far from what we had? Why did we lose that hope? So what in the world went wrong? I wasn't ready to face that song. I couldn't take it all alone. But when
Dollar
I
yen
was
table.
got a soldier on, stay strong.
Dollar index.
Tell me what went wrong. Won't somebody tell
Gold.
what is gone? Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost? I'm ready to learn.
Nick Key.
Yeah, to learn. So baby, what in the world went wrong? Oh, how could we get this far from what we had? Why?
The Tokyo Nikkei share average opening down 1.9%.
So what in the world went Somebody tell me what went wrong. Somebody tell me what is gone. Somebody tell me what went wrong. Somebody tell me what is gone. Somebody tell me what went wrong. Somebody tell me what is gone. Somebody tell me what went wrong. Somebody tell me what is gone. What is wrong? Would you tell me what is gone?
Bitcoin.
that looks bad. Now I'm gonna trail here.
Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me if you want it.
Come on. Just $20. Oh, 90, 80.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Pound Aussie. Dollar Sing. Aussie Dollar Index.
Oh, pound yen is keeps going. Ah, but this one now.
Aussie Dollar. Dollar Sing. Bitcoin. Pound
Cable.
Aussie.
South Korea says they're to take stern steps if FX moves are excessive. South Korea says they're to take stern steps if FX moves are excessive. The South Korean Vice Finance Minister says they'll take steps on the FX market if it becomes unstable. Says they're to take steps on FX regardless of the currency level.
Dollar index.
That bitch keeps going. Ah, whatever, I made my money already. It looks pretty small, but this is because of the gap. Have to turn off the reverb. Check a standard template. Well, maybe it isn't.
Aussie dollar. Pound Aussie.
Just taking an early look ahead to today's China's Open. Plenty of focus will be on the yuan fixing. Plenty of focus on the PBOC yuan fixing due at 2:30 London time today. We do get some estimates in the next 30 minutes or so from the PBO from Reuters usually.
Oh, come on, Bitcoin is taking off too.
Gold. Pound Aussie. Aussie dollar. Cable.
Holy shit, the spread is terrible. No, I'm just feeling silly. Whatever. It's about making money safely.
Dollar Sing. Gold. Cable. Dollar Index. Aussie dollar. Pound Aussie.
Order filled.
Cable.
Order filled.
PBOC expected to set the one midpoint 7.0528 against the dollar. That's according to estimates from Reuters. China's PBOC expected to set the one midpoint at 7.0528 against the dollar.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Okay, now I'm just looking stupid. Second target reached. Oh, come on. Now it's better.
Cable.
Anytime you'll see you and me together in a place without no one else but us. I wanna take you there. I wanna take you there. I wanna take you tonight.
Morning.
Hey, what's up? I had to put my headset on, man. I unplugged my webcam.
Oh,
you
it sounds
doing,
okay.
I gotta turn you back up, man. All the settings are off. Hold on. Okay, say something.
Say something.
Okay, there we go. Cool. Now I can hear you. How you doing, man? How's the weekend?
Weekend was terrible because the markets are closed.
Well, obviously, that's stating the obvious.
And the gardener destroyed my bamboo forest. So but I made 3% in the morning, so I'm good already.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, I bought some Bitcoin. Went straight to the target. And bought some pound yen. Went also straight to the target. And it's at target 2 now. Just pulling back. This is the usual stuff. Like, target 1 was 21 pips away. And I was thinking, this is Monday. 21 pips is pretty far.
Then boom!
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Yep. I was thinking about that too. I was like, oh man, they got a signal right here to sell Euro New Zealand. I said, that's too early. This thing's gonna piddle around. I went to the restroom, came back, boom, boom, 2 bars. I'm like, oh shit, why didn't I just go on and take it? Yeah, well.
Bitcoin too. I went out of Bitcoin and then the spread went like from $20 or $15, which is normally to what, $250, and it just bam to whatever, $1,000 up.
Wow.
Oh wait, I'm just
Yeah, usually you get a lot of reversals on Sunday too. Like if you don't look for like a continuation.
okay. It's not $1,000. It's 600.
That's still great for a Sunday, man.
Yeah. And the best thing is straight up.
The European Union may soften their debt reduction targets in the budget rule rewrite.
Oh shit, I gotta turn Morbo up too. Can't hear shit.
And the funny thing is, I went out and then the spread went crazy, and I was actually writing in the trading room, shit is gonna happen like in a minute max.
Yeah, they widen out the spread to keep people from getting in.
No, it's too dangerous for us. This is CFD. This is not cash.
Okay, yeah.
So the broker has to do that in order to protect themselves. If it drops like a stone or whatever, then they...
Yeah.
Are you holding on to my love? Are you holding on to
Oh shit, man. Wonder if we can get 1 bar out of this, man. See, that's the thing too. I'm not even trading very heavy, man, because it's Sunday. So I got a couple moves, but I didn't. I already got 18 pips, man, but I didn't make shit on them.
Yeah, I stopped doing that. If I go in, I go in. That's it.
Yeah, that's what I should have, man. I'd already.
+3 already, and now I'm pissed because it could be +10.
Damn, it's hot again, man.
Pound
All the
yen.
yen pairs are bouncing like crazy, man.
Yeah, pound yen is 29,122. My third target. 16 pips now. But I entered at 128,566. Fuck.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I missed the pound. Kiwi.
Well, actually, pound yen is about to make a reversal. A VWAP reversal, I mean. Let me just make the trend line on my main chart. That's actually still worth it. Yeah, pound yen. There's 16 pips to go. That's just nearest resistance. Wait, I make a bigger chart.
Oh, wow. That was a... Sheesh, man. VWAP was friggin' vertical, huh?
Yeah, it's just okay. Let's do that. Yeah, that's my the resistance is 16 pips from here.
Oh, wow. I see that too. A nice little gap. Little gap trade, too.
Yeah, I'm not really into gaps, but
Me neither, but I mean, sometimes, you know, it is what it is.
yeah, but I will take profit 19 pips before the gap close because there is resistance. So damn, that looks good. I really want to buy that now, but it's 10 pips from the VWAP now.
Yeah, but it's like, man, like if you see these moves and then you start trying to grab the ones that are lagging, that's a friggin' losing proposition most of the time. And so I'm just saying, I'll sit here and wait for the next thing to happen rather than try and grab something like pound Kiwi that's lagging a little bit behind Euro Kiwi. I ain't doing that shit. I ain't starting the week that way, bud.
Yeah, like 2 minutes ago I said it's about to make a VWAP reversal. That's where I should have just bought it and not talk about it. Because it's already made a higher high.
Shit, though, man. It looks like it is gonna drop anyway, gonna drop without me. Oh man, this is crazy.
Pound Aussie looks nice.
Start for a Sunday.
Yeah, it's because of G20. That's why Mondays are not too bad usually, because the weekend money doesn't sleep, so weekends happen. And
Yeah.
okay, if like Tokyo Bell and nothing happens, okay, then fuck it, then just call it a day. But it's not meaning it's always like this. Oh, this Bitcoin annoys me. Well, I don't trade Bitcoin anyway, so whatever. And I have almost no margin. I bought 16 Bitcoins and I had like 200% margin. I look at it, oh fuck. I cannot even hedge that.
Yeah, I don't mess
Gold.
with Bitcoin, man. I'm not,
So I
not
just
interested.
set a stop loss and whatever. I mean, money-wise, it's not expensive. If the stop loss was hit, is what, like, I don't know, $900 loss, whatever. But so it's not over leveraged or whatever. It's just there's no, you don't have any leverage trading that. I have 1 to 5 or something like that. But it's still good for Bitcoin. You just can't hedge it 3 times in a row or shit like that.
Right.
Take the trade, set your stop, and then it goes or it doesn't. And it did go. Why did I enable trailing stop? I'm such an idiot. I went over my target and there was the pivot like $50 higher, and it's probably bounce on the pivot, so let's just trail it from here.
That's good. You having a good start to the week. That's a good thing.
Yeah, that's true. I have nothing to complain actually.
Make the booty bounce on the dance floor.
Dollar yen, huh? Let's have a look. Oh, check this out. Wait. New feature in Discord. I can stream.
What do you mean?
I can stream in Discord. You see that?
What? See, the button says live. Yeah.
Click on it.
Ah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Oh wow, man. Yeah, short bypass YouTube and Twitch and all that.
Yeah, that was actually my original idea.
Yeah, that is pretty cool, man.
Make the booty bounce on the dance floor.
Beta.
Yeah, I cannot switch screens or nothing.
There we go. Come down, you such and such.
Peace off.
Yeah, I don't want to talk to her too bad, man, because it might not do what I do.
I have to fix my Friday live stream. But this is 12 hour. I cannot edit it in iMovie. I mean, I can, but it's gonna take me all day. Made an 18% profit, and it's not on YouTube because I did watch Big Bang Theory and they banned the video.
Oh wow. Well, you weren't even. Oh, did you have it actually showing on the YouTube?
No, but I started Netflix.
Just the audio.
Yeah, I started Netflix, and then the Big Bang Theory theme song came up, and then I muted the audio, but this was already enough for YouTube to ban the video.
Wow, just the sound.
It's just 20 seconds sound, and it shows the video a copyright claim from MCM blah 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 whatever.
NBC.
Yeah, NBC. blocked worldwide. YouTube has a feature, you can remove this piece of audio, it's just 20 seconds mute. The 12-hour video, nobody's gonna notice that. But this, even YouTube cannot remove it because the video is too big.
Oh, did it take too long to find it?
Oh no, they find it, they show me the timestamp where it is. But they cannot, there is a feature, I can just click remove the audio for this 10 seconds or whatever. They just muted the 10 seconds and then everything is fine. But even YouTube cannot edit it because it's 12-hour stream.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I have to download it, open it in iMovie, but I have a 6-year-old iMac. It's gonna take all freaking day.
Yeah, don't stream Big Bang Theory.
Yeah.
Because you're bored.
Yeah, I was freaking bored. This trade took 12 hours.
I know, that's why I was like, yeah, well, that's what, now you see what happens. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, I wanted to look at dollar yen. Holy shit, this Discord stream is extremely slow. I cannot really move the mouse. Oh shit. Oh, I have to turn that off. The computer is horribly slow. Time to get a streaming computer.
You know, the hardest thing about what I'm doing is trying to figure out, man, when to just take a bar and when to let it rip. You know what I mean? That's what I'm figuring out, man. It's like that's really it. That's the key to the whole thing. If I could figure that out, man, genius.
Dollar yen.
Dollar yen is not a good idea, to be honest. Somebody on Twitch said he bought dollar yen. I would not really do that. Seriously.
No, it's reacting to support. It's not a buy signal whatsoever.
I mean, there is a buy signal right now, but this is very, very low probability. Yeah, it's already 2 pips below. Why? The resistance line here is very far below, and on pound yen.
Oh man.
Yen.
Shit,
Dollar
here comes
sing.
the friggin' horns.
Yeah, on pound yen, the same resistance line is higher. That's why I took pound yen. Sorry, I was
I think this thing should come down.
just explaining to Twitch. Oh, I meant 2 pips below VWAP.
What the hell's going on, man? It's friggin' there's some crazy action going on, like with pound Aussie, man.
Oh yeah, pound Aussie did look like a very nice short, like a minute ago.
Yeah, but it's friggin' bouncing now like crazy, man. I'm like, what's it reacting to?
Yeah, it's just
Nothing there.
it's just retesting the VWAP. This looks nice actually.
I'm almost to profit on pound Kiwi. I know I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I did because I'm crazy like that.
Yeah, look. Just trying to make a retest.
Oh shit.
But keep in mind, it's Monday.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I'm like, oh man, come on, one time. One time. Let's start the week off on a positive note. Don't give me the horns.
Two pips is 2 pips.
Sing yen.
Now it's coming out. I don't know what it's trying
Dollar
to.
index.
There it goes again. There it goes again. Come on now. Fall.
Yeah, I just tested the VWAP. Looks pretty good. Aussie dollar looks good too. Actually, now I'm liking again dollar yen.
Which one? Dollar yen?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm ignoring that, man.
But I
That's a
don't- I-
whole lot of climbing to do before I ever think about buying that thing.
Yeah, it broke out already, so there's a high chance it's gonna make a retest, and that is pretty far.
Yes.
They're talking 40 pips.
There's already a fractal painting on that thing, man. I wouldn't touch that.
Gold. Sing yen.
But if the
There's a
VWAP is holding,
fractal painting on resistance.
then we're talking 100 pips up, like, okay, 70.
Here, hold on one second. Let's see if I can.
Not really. Let me just go a little bit, zoom out a little bit. Yeah, 70-ish. Just smash a Fibonacci there. There we go. Whoa! 105.84. That is far.
Able.
This thing won't
Dollar
freaking drop
yen.
now.
Pound yen. Dollar index.
Yeah, it's reversing. The VWAP is holding. 70 up.
No, I'm talking about pound kiwi here. I'm about to bail on this shit.
But it's Monday, so
Too
I'm
nervous.
not gonna take this trade. It's counter trend, and there is horizontal
Oh wait.
resistance on the 4 hour. So we're gonna need a lot of volume to push that one up.
No, okay, it's right. I thought something was wrong. I was like, what the hell, man? It's dropped another friggin'. It must be the friggin' spread, man. It's not giving me any friggin' profit. It's already dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which one?
Bastard, man.
Which one?
Friggin' pound kiwi. I'm gonna get out of this shit.
The spread is okay,
Yeah, I'm out of that, man. Something ain't right.
and it's dropping.
Yeah, no. I'm just. It took too long. I finally look around and I'm like, okay, it dropped, and I didn't have any. How many pips was that?
But I would not short that too, to be honest. Look at the 30-minute. This looks terrible.
Yeah, it dropped the whole bar, man, and then I was left with friggin' 3 pips. I was like, something's wrong, man. I don't know how it dropped, and the spread must have changed.
Yeah, sure, the spread is moving, but
Shit, man.
what was that?
I don't know,
Cable.
bro. Hope it wasn't on my end. Now, see, it's bouncing. It's like,
Yeah, it's bouncing. VWAP is flat. Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm like, man. I said I'm getting out. It wasn't a negative trade. I mean, it ended up being like 3 pips. I'll take it. It'll probably still drop, man, but that just made me way too nervous, man.
yeah. Look at the 30-minute. This is, I don't know.
And you know what? And the pound Aussie is bouncing when it should be dropping. It should be down around the 82.30 range, and it's friggin' bouncing. It's back up to 44, man. Something is not copacetic here. That's okay. It's okay. I'm not in a rush, man. The week just started. I should have just took the damn first one that gave me a signal, Euro Kiwi, man, and we'd be done here.
Just posted our China news recap to the boards. US tariffs are the main focus. US President Trump announcing an additional 5% of tariffs on Chinese goods following the Wall Street close on Friday. This in response to the retaliatory measures announced by China. The White House have said as well Trump regrets not raising the tariffs on China even higher, while Trump aides have suggested that he does have the power to force companies from China. From the Chinese side, China has warned the US to stop the wrong trade actions or face consequences. As a piece from China's Xinhua says Chinese lawmakers have called for more efforts to boost employment. A piece off the Bloomberg website says Chinese companies have unseen foreign debt that is maturing fast. There's also a piece says the Chinese central bank have said the interest rate on new personal mortgages loans will be based on the latest monthly loan prime rate.
They try so hard.
Dollar.
Into geopolitical news, China has signalled intervention as the protests in Hong Kong intensify. There were
Wow, the
reports of
yuan had made a new high.
by police towards protesters.
Look at Pound Aussie, man.
And these stories and
82.52.
more now up on the board in the China news recap.
Holy shit, look at
Pound
the
Kiwi.
yuan.
See fix in 15 minutes.
See, I told you, man. That's why I was like, man. You know, the whole problem with that was I got in late. I was already a bar late, so that's why I didn't really get anything. It's my fault. No big deal. Boy, that pound Kiwi, the pound Aussie, though, man. What the hell?
Aussie dollar.
It's the sound again.
Hey, man, if that's on my side, I have no idea where it's coming from.
Oh, wait, that's me. That's the new bar sound. I was programming something with Octo over the weekend.
Oh, okay. Alright. Now it's dropping, man. What the hell?
Yeah, gold is dropping too.
Oh, I should short this shit right now.
Look at the yuan.
volatile, man.
It's made an all-time high.
Australia sells $400 million Aussie dollars of 2029 bonds, bid to cover 3.95, average yield spot 8841.
Dollar index.
Australian 2029 bond auction, bid to cover 3.95, average yield spot 8841%, selling 400 million Aussie dollars worth.
Hong Kong dollar is right at the ceiling, but this time I'm not gonna short it.
Yeah, the week just started, man. I could smell this food cooking, man. I gotta go turn this thing off and make myself a plate here in a minute. I don't want to get friggin' caught up in the excitement on the beginning of the week already, man. It's like, there's no hurry.
Dollar yen looks nice. 13 pips to the gap, but I would not
It's like a
really
casino,
buy.
man.
I mean, it's definitely a buy, but I'm not sure.
Dollar sing.
It's just very late. You have to have like a 40 pip stop. That's I'm not so sure. Okay, let's say S1 as a stop, like below around here. It's still 34 pips. Or just make
Yeah, and that's actually a lot, man, for a Sunday with the volatility that we're looking at.
Yeah, exactly. But if it makes a 61, we're talking like 80 up. So
Yeah. Higher risk and a little bit of higher reward. Oh, shoot, man. Woo! Yeah, man. Jump right in, man. The fish are biting, but they're piranhas.
Table.
In news from New Zealand, New Zealand's June-July milk collection rises 8.5% year on year. That's according to the DC ANZ. New Zealand June-July milk collection rises 8.5% year on year.
Oh, yeah.
Cable.
I see what you got there. Pound Aussie under the VWAP. Ah, and it's starting to move too.
yeah, it tested the VWAP. I think it was 11 pips away, right? forgot already. Let me just.
Yeah, 11 or so. Let me see where my stop would be here.
Yeah, I will be just higher than the VWAP. Like previous high is like 82,697 max. Maybe even less. 82,629. Wow, there's 22 pips already. What the fuck is going on today? Yay, G20 is even better than Trump.
Man, what the hell are those dudes talking about?
I don't care, but it works.
Sheesh, man. This thing is friggin' acting like it's gonna just plunge off the friggin' cliff. I don't trust this shit as far as I can spit a wet rat.
Pound Aussie are going well.
Shit's falling off a cliff, man.
I'm glad that the days are over. This summer was terrible. And it started very early in November already, basically.
Hurt him! Hurt him! Bring the pain!
Dollar index.
Drop it like it's hot. Wow, I can't believe that thing just turned around now. It's freaking falling. Good lord, man.
VWAP magic.
24 karat magic in the air. Wow. 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 Good lord, man.
Just to rub it in.
Yeah, are you watching Pound Kiwi?
I'm watching Pound Aussie. It looks the same. 24 pips.
Yeah. Bastard.
Let me just. Pound Aussie made a very, very nice reversal. Holy shit, 41 pips on Pound Kiwi. What the fuck is going on?
Weekly R1.
Yeah, there's horizontal support now. Wow, my microphone is terrible.
I'm such a nervous little Nelly, man. Just missing money,
Testing.
man. You good?
Maybe I need a better microphone.
It's still only one bar.
But it's a 42 pip bar.
Well, no, there's no telling. I mean, it's easy to look at it now and go, yeah, it's 42 pips, man. But there's no way I would friggin' shorted it at 83.36. And anyway, it was already down from that when the market opened.
Oh yeah, that's.
But I know what you're saying. Yeah, that's how much it's fallen from the top.
Pound Aussie had a setup because of the Viva reversal. But that will be only 27.
It just pisses me off, man. I close pound Kiwi, man, and then it drops another 22 pips.
But I would be out of pound Aussie now.
Yeah.
Okay, no, a little bit more, like about 9 more. Then I will be out.
Anything in
Bank of
the
Japan
green.
offers to buy 160 billion yen of JGBs in the 10 to 25 year range.
Never mind, they are the 9
40
pips.
billion yen in the 25 plus year range. That's unchanged in both ops.
Well, whichever one's the first one to signal, man, is the one that goes the furthest, man. You got 3 bars on now on Euro Kiwi.
You have on all pairs 17 or just on the Kiwi pairs?
I'm sorry?
Your Renko range is on all bars 17 or just on the Kiwi?
Oh no, that was just on one individual pair, man. It's based on they actually automatic set. You know what I mean? So like when they this
Sorry, I was
reset
playing
now
myself.
for Sunday.
How did that just happen? Sorry, I was muting myself.
Oh, okay.
I was asking about your Renko range. Is it always 17 or just on the Kiwi pairs?
No. Every pair is individually. It calculates itself, man, based on the ATR.
Oh, okay, that's smart. By the way, the 9 pips on pound Aussie just happened.
Oh,
Just to
okay.
repeat, Bank of Japan to buy 160 billion yen in JGBs in the 10 to 25 year maturity range. That's unchanged versus the prior.
So here I will be
to buy
out.
160 billion.
But it's not. I
Sorry,
will
to
not
buy
buy
40
it.
billion yen in the 25
Yeah, it's like-
range. That's also unchanged from the prior operation. Also to buy 25 billion in inflation index bonds.
Right now on Euro New Zealand, it's 22 pips. On Euro Kiwi.
I didn't get in on pound Aussie. The signal would be that when
at
price
pound
retested the
Aussie.
VWAP.
Go! Still dropping.
I just bought Bitcoin this morning, pre-market here, and pound yen. Where is it? Yeah, here, pound yen.
Well, I guess God, man, I don't know what they're talking about, man. But I tell you what, Aussie, and Kiwi is getting stronger by the second.
Yeah, I
That'll
see it.
probably be it.
Cable is dropping as well, so this is kind of helping.
The PBOC gauging demand for 7, 14, 28 and 63-day reverse repos.
Look at the Sing dollar. Wow, that looks nice. You're talking 40 pips. I have a feeling this is gonna be just one candle.
Just under 60 seconds till we expect the PBOC 1 fix. Estimate from Reuters released earlier today, expecting the fix around 7.0528.
Holy shit, the Sing dollar did move nicely. $29 pips down, but there is horizontal support. Maybe that doesn't happen.
PBOC1 fixing.
But it looks pretty good. And the dollar is not even red. There we go. Well, let's just open the yuan.
Well, at some point, this is all going to go back to suit, man.
7.0570 the PBOC fixing.
I think we're probably seen the majority of these moves, man, at this point. But I could be wrong.
Yeah, usually it's like that.
Yeah, usually you get a move and then it'll start people will start hopping on and then it'll start bouncing. Especially on Sunday.
Yeah, that's kind of a Monday rule. It either happens like instantly or it doesn't happen at all.
Or it grinds, man, real slow.
Yeah, and then London fucks you over.
Right. But like right now, anybody like trying to jump on this pound Aussie, pound Kiwi shit is probably going to get the mud hole stomped in their ass. Excuse my language. Are you streaming?
Whatever. Actually, YouTube has a new check. They're actually looking for words like that. But I care very little. I don't monetize anyway. So I don't have to be advertiser friendly.
Right, okay. Man, I'm watching this like a hawk right now, man. This is really unusual for a Sunday, man. Unless the summer trading's over. We're back to normal. That'd be good. Wow, man, that dollar yen, man, is not pulling back. Your buy would be up some, I guess.
The PBOC has not conducted any reverse repos today.
The spread on the yuan is back to normal. Looks like there's nothing gonna happen. It's just gonna pull back.
Well, I definitely didn't get all the market had for me. That's unfortunate.
Gold.
Wow. Something's really going on here, man. This is really unusual. Are you getting flashing lights like crazy?
Yeah. Quite a lot, actually.
Yeah, me too.
Something is gonna happen. Holy shit, the yen pairs are still going.
Okay, now it's bound. Now it's, yeah. Wow, this is nuts pulling back. Let's see if there's anything fresh. Fresh signals, get your fresh signals here. There's the bounce. Okay, there it is. I knew it. I'm like, man, there it goes. Here it comes. You see it?
Wow.
See the bounce?
Yeah, right from the pivot. But there's also horizontal support, so that was kind of to be expected.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said. I'm expecting it to come any second now. Where's the bounce? I was like, okay, no bounce there. As soon as I said no bounce, there it is. I think I'm gonna take a shot at this Aussie yen. If I can get there before now it's friggin' damn, the platform's freezing up. What the hell? Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, that's
The
ill-advised.
Hong Kong Hang Seng Index set to open down 3.3%.
That's ill-advised. I think I'll wait. Wow, huge bounce.
What? I just changed to something else. What the hell? I'm missing all the fun here. Oh yeah, no, that's a nice one. Back at the support. It could go back down now.
My friend on Skype is asking me, how the hell did you know that that was gonna bounce? Hey. I just told him, man. He was short. I said, hey, close that friggin' pound Aussie. Close it. All right, now what? Don't everybody talk at the same time. Well, look who snuck in through the back door.
EXO!
Tunnel jumper.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, you hear me? Good.
Good, good.
You make so much noise. I have to jump in to talk to you, man. I said
Oh,
you
man.
noisy guy today.
Yeah, somebody has to
I'm the
keep the
only
party
one, man.
alive.
Bao Yin closing gap.
I don't know about the gap, man. I didn't really look. I saw people say there's a gap, man, but when you're trading on Renko, there's no gap, you know, so.
Yeah, and there was resistance. But it broke it, but okay, it could be that the gap is a massive fake out, but I kinda doubt it. Because it gapped below the support. Let me just look on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it definitely gapped below support.
Yeah, I'm just looking for some new blocks, man, some new price blocks to trade. Oh, wow, man, that's looking... You know what? Something. Hey, does it look like all these friggin' yen pairs are going to be reversing? Or am I just dreaming?
Well, looking at pound yen, yeah.
Right, that's the one I'm in particular.
Yeah, I just posted a 4-hour chart. It's gapped below support. And that's usually, I mean, in Forex it's not that serious, but if a stock gaps below support, it's usually gap and go.
Yeah, it's coming off a weekly S1 as well as the secondary ATR target from last week. That's what's making me think, okay, maybe really potentially a bounce a little bit more. Then again, all of a sudden everything could just start ranging and leave me out in the middle of nowhere.
The Shanghai Composite set to open down 1.6% today.
Broken retest.
Say again?
The pound yen, the trend line broken retest and also closing the gap. So that's gonna be very interesting zone.
All right.
I'd say that's a very nice short entry.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the signal to sort it again.
I don't know about a short. I'm
Actually, I
thinking
long it.
more of a long.
Yeah, it looks very bullish now, but okay, I just
On the other hand, they take out the last week low and go up again. So it's very like Omega said, it's very much bullish. If you take out the low of last week and go up again, it's
Yeah,
very
you
much
got-
like stock hunting, you know.
Right, but there's a diagonal trend line now, an ascending trend line going. This is support on an ascending trend line. And whether it fails or not, I mean, it could fail, but it's a nice looking potential long opportunity. I don't know, man. It's too early in the week to really say, but
yeah, look at my chart on in the trading room. It's the blue line is the 4-hour support. And it gapped below that, and it's just retesting it.
right. So it's kind of really, yeah. I mean, a fake long. Last week's low. Okay, I see. Nice chart, man. XO. %50 right. Ah, you got jokes, man. Okay.
Gold.
Wow.
And gold is going nowhere, so this is just order placements, I guess.
Yeah, that's potential long is failing. Failure to launch.
Yeah, we're right in the middle at the moment. Pound Kiwi doesn't look much better. Pound Pound Kiwi
Yeah, I
has a
think
lot
we
of
get it.
horizontal crap. That's also a problem, I guess. This is just a bad place.
Yeah, it's starting to look like your short's making a lot more sense.
Yeah, look at Pound Kiwi. This is from 3 weeks ago, and as you see, the price is right in that range. So it's support and resistance. And if you go back 2 more months, exactly the same. But this range is pretty big. This is like 400 pips.
Wow.
So for me, this is like category.
Let's see what we're looking at with a daily chart.
Let's see what Pound Yen does.
Gold.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Chinese onshore yuan opens trade at 7.1319 against the dollar.
Oh yeah, EXO, I just saw your chart, sorry. I was ignoring the private messages. Yeah, I have the same trend line. But there is intraday support, which is actually just right now bouncing off. My yellow line is, oops. What the hell?
Shit.
Well, that was a good day, to be honest. I mean, I missed most of the moves, but I made a shit ton of money in the process.
Now I don't know what the hell is going to happen here if we're going to start ranging. See, it's still retracing that pound Aussie and pound Kiwi.
The Chinese onshore yuan hitting its weakest level against the dollar since February 2008.
Wow, 100% win rate. That's new. Not even big volume.
Testing.
Doesn't work. You're using audio with the web client? Then it's pretty good actually.
No, it doesn't work. So I have to install the app on my another laptop and connect it to Blue Snow. That's what I have. I like the microphone. Yeah, that's really simple but effective. They call like Blue Snowball.
Yeah, the snowball is pretty good actually.
Oh, it looked like it react to the trend line. It touched the trend line, bounce. I don't trust it yet because the gap's still not 100% close yet. So I think we gotta wait. But I also see the point that if the price come up from here after take out the last week low, it's very much like stock hunting, you know. So if they go up from here, it gotta be a real long run to the upside. But right now it's like
Dollar Sing.
excessive point.
Dollar Index.
Two stereo.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna grab a plate, man. I'm starving, dude. I'll be back in a minute.
All right. Let's see if I get my account to 200% this week.
Hey Swing, did I see you made 24% today?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
On your live stream, I thought it said 24% today.
No, it's 308.
Okay, gotcha.
Where does it say that?
I thought I saw it. One sec. I probably just looked at something wrong. The reason I asked is because I've never seen it that high before. I was like, what the fuck? 'Cause
On Friday I made 18.
holy shit, dude, that's nuts. I think the most I've ever gotten in one day is like 5%.
Dollar Sing. Pound Aussie. Nick Key. Dollar Sing.
Strawberry lips burning on my skin, craving for you. I tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin. A tongue so sweet it can knock me out. What can I
Gold.
Yeah, Pandian has to wait a little bit. This can go either way from here.
in my mouth?
The Nika is pretty strong.
That's my flavor, 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 flavor. I'll put you away, save for later, later. You're my
Maybe it's better to make the recap before it's getting embarrassing.
eyes on the prize like an animal. I want you to. A body like yours on a sugar rush, need no beauty call. I never thought that a one can be something so good. A treat complete with a beautiful smile is all I need. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor, 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 flavor.
Yeah, we'll be back in a second.
You're my Candyland. You're my Candyland. It's one of those times in life when you just know that it's right. It's one in a lifetime. For the first time in my life, I'm right on the
Alright, quick recap. Yeah, Monday morning, G20, so there were a lot of gaps actually. Most of them you can't see anymore. Yeah, here US dollar thing was pretty big. I mean, they look small, but 36 pips is pretty far for US dollar thing. Yeah, basically everything gapped because of G20. Just 2 setups today. Bought pre-market, that was 2 hours before, sorry, 1 hour before the Tokyo Bell bought Bitcoin. The target was here, this support line, because it gapped below, and the idea was it's gonna retest this line, which it did. This line here and this line here is the same. So I just took profit here. It went higher, but well.
The PBOC conducts 150 billion won of MLF operations, offers the one.
Yeah, that was pretty straightforward trade. After that was actually no, at the same time was pound yen, same idea, gap below support, and I bought it on a retest here. Oh, there is no trend line. There was actually a reason for the exit. I think I had it down here. Yeah, there we go. Go back to 3 minutes. Alright, yeah, this was immediate resistance basically as target 1. Then support here from the previous lows as target 2, and target 3 was this resistance here from a higher time frame from Friday. And yeah, that's basically it. Right now what's happening is same, this support here from the 4-hour chart, and the idea is it's gonna retest here, and then we're gonna go back down. But this is gonna take some time. Actually, the blue line here is actually this resistance line, so now we're between support, between previous resistance, which are higher, and below previous support, so it's basically no man's land. Anyway, today made 3.1% ish. So that's it for today. I'm gonna stream a little bit longer. I just made this recap. Oh, never mind.
I see the graphs still closing.
Yeah, but it's the resistance from the 4 hours in the way. Maybe that doesn't happen. Looks pretty short from here, but we're higher than the VWAP. We are above the support, above the resistance and below the 4 hour support. So this is pretty tricky.
That's what I mean.
Gold.
The result of this gonna be very interesting. I mean, if it go up from here, it's quite a lot. If go down from here, it's quite a lot too. So we just need to wait.
Yeah, I guess so. I would actually prefer to short it because it gap below support. That usually means it's gonna continue. You know what? I'm just gonna do that. Let's just take the gap as a stop. How far is that?
Order filled.
Wow, 55 pips. There's no money to be made.
Gold.
I think we're almost at the end of this hour, so probably we gotta wait until London. My timing is over. I'm trade
Dollar index.
Yeah, I shorted it already, but very, very small size. 55 pip stops or whatever.
Actually, you
Sound
shot
like a
again.
swing trade.
Yeah, it's like a lifetime. What did you say, XO?
You shot again your VWAP. It's surprising me.
No, it's above, but
I mean, you shot again your VWAP.
yeah, but it's not full size. Like I said, 55 pips stop. And at 55 pips, I have like half my loss I usually have. So if it's gonna cross below and cross below the previous resistance,
What are you
I'm
talking
gonna
about?
go
Are you talking about
pound yen.
pound yen?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Okie dokie.
Very. Sounds very. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, no, that's that's like, oh, okay, all right. Long term, got a little wiggle room. Wiggle, wiggle, whoop. Wiggle, wiggle, whoop. I'm trying to figure out what to do, if anything. I'm scanning the horizon. So where you at, XL?
Yeah, I'm watching pound yen, but
No,
as you
are you
know,
back? Are you back in Canada?
yeah, I'm back. I'm back already. I'm in Canada. I was not away from Canada. I mean, I went to the west side of Canada, Vancouver, Rocky Mountain. You know, like
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. Yeah, you said you was gonna do some camping,
yeah,
man.
that 3 weeks away, and I travel on that west side. I'm living at the east side. You know, I flow over to the west side. Beautiful place actually. Back like 2 days ago.
Oh, okay.
2 days ago, yes. You go anywhere? You didn't.
Nah.
The Nikkei looks pretty good.
Order filled.
Now if I go anywhere, I gotta figure out what to do with this damn cat. I can't just get up and go now. Oh, I gotta find somebody to take care of the cat.
Need a rental slave for the cat.
Oh God, man. Somebody that doesn't bug out easy too, because this cat will drive you nuts, man. That friggin' meowing is just ridiculous, man. Sometimes.
Oh, I
She
just
wakes
want
me up in
to
the middle of friggin' night, man.
be part of the party.
No, she's like, hey, man, wake up. Wakes me up, man. Just like I'll be out cold, man. All of a sudden I'm like, what is it? What is it? What the fuck's going on? Somebody breaking in? Is a cougar looking in the window? What the hell?
House is on fire.
Yeah, man. What are you trying to tell me, Lassie? Sheesh.
My cat wakes me up too, but only if in the morning, if it's actually wake up time.
I look at the clock. I'm like, oh man, you got to be kidding, man. Ooh, this would be
Dollar
nice.
index.
Okay, that might be it for the pullback on pound Kiwi. Wow. And if that's the case, that bodes real well for your pound yen short.
Yeah, the dollar is going up. Oh, never mind. The Nikkei is a bit tricky, I have to say. What was that?
Hey, that's not me making those weird beeps, someone.
Yeah, the Nikkei
Thinks that's
is...
me making that noise. Hey, I think you need a new noise for that sound, whatever it is, bro. Okay, time to short that again. Let me see, where is it?
Indecision time.
He thinks that funny sound is coming from me.
No, it's coming from me. I did some coding with Octor on the weekend.
So what's the sound supposed to signify? A new bar?
Yeah.
Okay, I really want to short here now. Late than you, but I have to. Time to go.
Yeah, on bar, it's playing on bar MP3. That's it. Just have to rename that file. Or I could just use the play sound feature to turn it off. I'm gonna find a better sound. Something that isn't that annoying.
Dollar index.
Sorting seem working. it seems it still want to go up.
The Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary Suga says he does not think Japan has compromised too much in the trade talks with the United States.
Order pending. Order pending. Order cancelled.
Looks like shit's about to get real.
Order cancelled. Order pending. Order pending.
Yeah, the Nikkei won't give up.
Yeah, I think it's going to go up. That can happen because the gap's still there, not completely sure yet.
The Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary says there's been no change in the Japanese stance to work closely with the US and South Korea in dealing with North
Dollar
Korea.
index.
Anyway, we're safe. I mean, at least the price will go down once again before it's actually going up. If it really want to go up from here, that's what I mean. So your entry is still good. I think we have a chance to get out at break even or a little bit profit. If it really want to go up from here.
Oh, that sound is disgusting.
What's wrong? Is it my micro?
No, it's me, it's me.
Your bot doing something? Or
Yeah.
Cable.
Ah, shit. I make 18% profit and I have no video proof of it because it's blocked on YouTube.
Dollar sing.
Copyright claim. All countries affected.
The Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary says he won't comment on US auto tariffs as negotiations are ongoing. Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary says the Japanese-US joint statement in September last year agreed the US would not impose additional tariffs on autos during the trade talks.
Dollar index.
Testing.
Works.
Okay, I'm like to the point where I really don't even like those headphones anymore, so I just plugged my webcam back in and flipped it upside down.
Quality is pretty good because before your webcam quality was terrible. Is it closer to you, I guess?
No, I'm just sitting at the desk, man. It'll be. He wasn't even watching it. He was just listening to it. Now I gotta turn everybody's volume back down. Blow my ears out, freak me out.
Dollar index. Cable. Cable.
29 minutes past, nothing happened. What happened? What's wrong?
Nothing, just back to normal now. Normal friggin' Asia action.
Okay. Are you on any trade, Omega?
Nah, just been friggin' trying to see if I can catch a break and getting in and out, jumping in and out like a friggin' little jackrabbit.
Turn nowadays.
I'm sorry?
Where the octo?
Who knows?
He's working. Slaving. That's why he cannot be here.
When he will be available, I mean, during 24 hours, with the time slot that he will be available for trading.
I think he do some shift working. I'm not 100% sure. Yesterday he was here in my evening, which is your morning.
Okay. My morning, his afternoon.
Yeah, late morning, yeah. Noon-ish. Alright, Friday's live stream converted to MP3. Now I just have to copy it.
Cable. 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 Dollar index.
Just picking up on a story here from the Wall Street Journal, says Trump aides have said he's not ordering US companies out of China. This somewhat conflicting with
Dollar
reports
index.
from over the weekend. Reading from the story, aides to President Trump said on Sunday he has no plans to invoke emergency powers to force companies to relocate operations from China. This 2 days after his Friday tweet that they were hereby ordered to look for alternative locations.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna exit that one. Dollar is going down.
Something's wrong with your mic.
Oh, not again.
Okay, now it sounded clear, but yeah, just a second. There was this huge static hissing and going on.
What's wrong with YouTube? Your video output is low. Fuck off.
Order cancelled.
Here we come once again.
I always do that. I re-enter in trades and then they're gonna take forever to play out instead of just go in the living room and watch Netflix.
Exactly. That's my recommendation.
Order cancelled.
The Chinese Vice Premier says China is willing to resolve the trade dispute with the US via calm negotiations. Speaking to a Chinese newspaper, Chinese Vice Premier says
Whoa,
China
that's
resolutely
moving
opposes an
quite
escalation
quickly.
of the trade war, the US or China. Just to repeat, the Chinese Vice
Oh,
Premier
fuck off.
says China is willing to resolve the trade dispute with the US via calm negotiations. Says China resolutely opposes an escalation of the trade war, which is not beneficial for the US or China.
Fuck trade war. I'm gonna take that off. Oh, fuck that. I'm out.
Order filled.
Whoa, what the hell?
Damn.
Oh fuck.
That went bad really fast.
Very fast, yes.
I have to update my stats. Fuck.
Because of news.
News of what they said about Trump.
Yeah, trade war nonsense.
Nothing really news. I mean, just something. Make it up.
$10.52. Damn it. 0.12% loss.
Euro yen didn't go anywhere though. That's probably it, man.
How they fuck the people up here. Fuck it.
That went actually pretty far.
Yeah, about 60 pips.
75 pound yen.
Oh, okay.
And now we're back in the previous range. So much for gap and go.
Well, from the exact point where we started talking about it, it was exactly 63 pips, man, the move.
Oh yeah, right. It's 75 is the total move, but yeah. Oh, I lost 0.32, 0.23 actually. Damn slippage.
Bull.
Or short it now.
Order filled.
I'm friggin' treading water, man. I have to go sleep. Just making the broker happy at this point.
Yeah. Yeah, my platform is really slow.
Fuck it.
Order filled.
Something is really wrong here. Yeah, great, now it's frozen. Fuck you. Ah, shit.
Oh, you develop your short keys become something interesting.
Well, I tell you what, man, we'll get some serious volatility tonight.
Like stuff. Guy.
Cable.
Still.
All my charts are fucked up. This is unbelievable. I just hate Windows.
Pussy is going down.
Oh, my old settings are dead. The fuck?
Oh, you buying power yen now?
I know now that's Bitcoin. I'm still fucked up with the charts. Half of my settings are gone because the platform just crashed. I stopped out the pound yen short.
Let's see on your chart. You turn to buy now, right? SwingFish, I see you right now.
Cable. Dollar index.
Alright, back. Had an urgent appointment in the bathroom. Oh, well, I cannot. Right, got my last bag. I closed the trade and while doing something else.
Dollar index.
Alright, that's it for me today. I have to re-upload the video from Friday. And this is gonna take quite some time.
All right, man. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'll be back a little bit later, probably to London.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to re-upload the Friday video. I have to resample it first. This is gonna take forever. So I'm just gonna start iMovie, load it, and go watch a movie.
Yeah, it's power nap time for me. So, all right, man.
Yeah, have a good one. I will be back to